Well, here it is. It's a multicolor LED flasher kit. This is the last kit that you're going to build in this 4-in-1 kit series. Hey, I just want to take a moment to kind of show you the instructions in here. We put a lot of time in making these instructions. I'm going to zoom out here. Showing you the placement, the locating marks on the ICs, how to put it in there. You notice these little black tabs there. That means to put the LEDs in that order. See how this one switches? You got to put the cathode on that side, on the right side, anode on the left. These resistors can be installed in any order. This is a capacitor, C1. It has a positive and negative side on it. And potentiometer. Here's a color resistor color code. This also identifies how to the sides of the positive and negative. Two different ways. Sometimes there's a notch on the side of an LED. Sometimes there isn't. Usually the longer leg, in most cases, is the anode, the positive, while the shorter leg is the cathode. Yeah. Step-by-step instructions, theory of operation, troubleshooting hints. Here's the foil pattern of the PC board. Here is the schematic that we have, that we include. And we just print it on one side. We don't do front and back. And that's so that when you're looking at it, the images don't, bleed through. Okay. Just wanted to show you that. I think this is very important to have. Alright, here you have it. You have your multicolor LED flasher kit. Here it is. This will show you instructors. This does have a marking on the cathode. This is the cathode. It has a negative marking that has to go in that direction. These can be put in either direction. This IC has an indicating mark right there to indicate that it has to go in this way. If you flip it around the other way, it's not going to work and possibly could burn out. So there's the potentiometer right there. I think I have a tool for that. I need to get in there and turn it around. Small little screwdriver. Hopefully I'm still in frame. Oh yeah, that will work great. Okay. So here's our battery. Let's plug this in. Nice flashing LED. First of all, congratulate yourself because you have it working. That's really cool. Now if that capacitor was turned around, it wouldn't work. If this chip was turned around, it wouldn't work. If any one of these lights was flipped around, it wouldn't work. Let's see, do I have that in series? Yeah. I mean, I think if one of these is turned around, none of them may work. So it's important to follow the instructions. And now let's see what this potentiometer does. Controls the rate of flashing. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. More of a flashing, and then as I turn it forward. Alright. Well, there you have it.